Hi, I'm Ofra. I'm the president of Ofra Cosmetics. As a young girl, I was always very independent and I managed to take charge of a lot of things. I always respect the people I work with, and I believe in life you get respect if you give respect. So for me it was no problem to be a woman and in charge of the company, and I just till now every day is a pleasure to go to work. So my top 3 products, first of all, is the long-lasting liquid lipstick Mocha. I love this shade, it goes very well with my skin tone. I've been using it for many years. Then there is Gold Rush eyeshadow. Whenever I apply it on my eyes, I use the eye gel primer and it goes well with my yellow tones. And the last product is actually Space Baby, which is a collab color that we did with Nikki Tutorial. I put it on the bone area a little bit and a little bit on the top of the eyebrow, and it is a beautiful iridescent color. I have 3 products from our skincare line which I really love a lot. First one is the moisturizer, the peptide moisturizer. I feel that this is a fantastic moisturizer to reduce my lines and keep my skin well hydrated, and it holds my makeup beautifully through the day. Then the next product is the peptide brightening mask. It has got very soft texture. Afterwards, when I wash it off, I see my skin looks more bright, more radiant, and it keeps it nice and soft and hydrated. The next product is actually called Vitamin Foaming Cleanser. You apply it onto the palm of your hand, rub with friction movements, and then you wash it off with water. It is an excellent product. It's got vitamin C, and that helps to reduce pigmentation. It helps to firm the skin. This is one of my definitely recommended items. We have a very innovative team of people that came up with fantastic formulas. We actually mix them all together and come up with our own ideas and our own creativity and innovation.